What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Staff Sergeant Calhoun calling you from Santa Fe Springs. I'm on the corner of Carmenita and Telegraph. As you guys already know, I was at my favorite store, the Walmart. And it's not so much that Walmart's my favorite store, it's just that they have everything I need at a good, reasonable price. I do love mom and pop shops, and I do support mom and pop shops. Matter of fact, Goodwill just closed. Most of the Goodwill's closed, and I love Goodwill. I support them wholeheartedly. It's too bad because this stuff that's going around, you know, this crazy stuff we're all dealing with. I don't even like saying the word, but you guys know what I'm talking about. And so therefore a lot of businesses have gone under, and it's really sad and unfortunate. And I do my best to support those smaller businesses. But like I said, Walmart is very, very convenient. And there's one big one right here on the corner of Carmenita and Telegraph, and I'm always there for things that I need. Shampoo, conditioner, whatever, you know, the soap and deodorant, toothpaste, some marketables, groceries, socks for work. They have some good work socks, thick double-soled socks. Even workout gear. They have good workout gear at Walmart. And great camping gear. That's one thing I got to give credit to Walmart for their camping equipment and their barbecue stuff. They got that down on lock pretty good with good prices. So the update is this. Not sure how many of you guys who watch this channel live in the LA area or Southern California area, but if you do, then you may be familiar with the gym called LA Fitness. Okay, well, there it is. LA Fitness, that's the logo. And so long time ago I was a member, and I've been a member of other gyms as well. I go with the bargain because the gym is a gym for the most part, unless you want a pool and a sauna, which I do like those things because I do like swimming laps. It's a great workout, and I do like sitting in the sauna and steaming my body. It has health benefits. Check into it. Sitting in a sauna for 15 or 20 minutes is very, very good for you if you are healthy enough to do it. Again, if you are healthy enough to do it, not everybody is healthy enough to sit in a hot steam room for 20 minutes. But if you're healthy enough to do it, 15 to 20 minutes in a steam room or sauna environment is really beneficial for your body. You sweat, opens up your pores, it gets things moving and grooving, gets the circulation flowing. For people who struggle with circulation problems or whatever, a sauna can be beneficial. Check with your doctor first. I've said this before, but I'll say it again. My major in college was kinesiology. I have two majors, but that was my main focus, was kinesiology. It's something that's a passion for me. I like working out, I like fitness, I like healthy lifestyle type stuff. So just to preface it with that, a lot of my videos will be geared towards health and fitness, workouts, my other hobbies that are paid hobbies like DJing, because that's a job. I talk about DJing, fitness, healthy lifestyle. I advocate being good to people, being kind to people. Like I say all the time, I don't beat people over the head with religion. That's not how you are supposed to live your life. Jesus didn't go around beating people over the head with religion and going, God, God, God. He just lived it. He just did it. Jesus loved people. He helped people. He fed the poor. He preached God's word. He healed the sick. He cried with people. He prayed for people. You just gotta go be with people and help people. That's what Jesus did. He just loved people. That's more important than any religion that you can ever think of. Jesus led the way in an example by being what he was, which was a loving Son of God, the Son of God, who completely loved us. Just love people, love yourself, and love people. Love God first. Love people, love yourself, and love people. If you had to put in order, love God, love yourself, and love people. All right, that's why it says love thy neighbor as thyself. Because if you don't love yourself first, how are you going to love your neighbor? All right, so enough of that. Like I said, I don't like to preach to people. I like to do it. So this video is specifically about the gym membership that just opened up, or the gym that just reopened over here that's affiliated with LA Fitness. It's not LA Fitness, but it basically is because they're the same company. It's called Esporta. Let me show you the t-shirt so you guys get an idea what it looks like. It is they gave me a black t-shirt. Here's the logo. There it is. That is the logo. So Esporta, which is affiliated with LA Fitness. That's why they gave me a towel as well as a t-shirt, extra large t-shirt. The guy was posted up in front of Walmart with permission from Walmart because they share the same parking structure. It's right next to the Walmart I go to right here on Carmenita and Telegraph, where there is an In-N-Out Burger, a GameStop, a Jersey Mike's, a Taco Bell, a US Bank. There is a Ross, Dress for Less here, all kind of little stuff here. There's a Target here. So that corner in Whittier / on the border of Santa Fe Springs, because I think Carmenita is like the cutoff between Santa Fe Springs and Whittier. Like if you continue west on Telegraph passing Carmenita, you're now in Santa Fe Springs. So we're on that corner where it's, you could say you're in Santa Fe Springs or you can say you're in Whittier. So that being said, the deal was this, and I'm a bargain hunter. You join this gym today, they charge you $1 for your first month of membership. $1. The annual fee is $49, but they don't charge you that annual fee for 2 weeks. So he gives you a 2-week trial. If you do not like the gym, you can cancel within the 2 weeks and you won't get charged that $49 annual fee. So in essence, you have a 2-week membership for $1, and you get a t-shirt and a towel. The gym has just now recently opened and they're renovating all of the services. They have all brand new equipment, all brand new sterilized weights and machines. So it's not the old stuff, it's new. This gym has been here for a while, but they have new equipment because of all the stuff that's been going on in the world and in the United States especially. They redid everything. So the sales guy was telling me, he's like, our hours are currently 8 or it's 5 or 6 in the morning until 8 o'clock at night. But he says, as of Monday next week, they're gonna go to 5 in the morning until 10 o'clock at night, 7 days a week. He goes, and then in about a month, it's gonna be a 24-hour service gym, which is good because I used to use Planet Fitness, and the reason I don't really necessarily think the gym is that great, but what I liked about them was that they were 24 hours and they have a shower and a locker room. That was some of the biggest selling points. So if I can go work out at 1 in the morning or 2 in the morning or 3 in the morning or 4 in the morning or at midnight, I know I can go work out at night or late and get a shower and then go about my day or go about my business. Say if I work a crazy schedule or if I just feel like working out, I could work out and shower. But with everything going on, I wasn't sure how that was going to affect the gyms. But now they got all that kind of squared away, I guess, because he goes, the showers and all the facilities are available. He goes, we're limited capacity. He said, so we're at 25% capacity. He goes, so when you come, if you can get in, if you wait in line and you stand in line for maybe 30 minutes or however long, or you get lucky, you get here and there's no line, whatever their normal capacity is, they're operating at 25% of that capacity. So you may have to wait 20 to 30 minutes outside. Maybe you have to wait 10 minutes, 5 minutes, who knows, but there may be a line, but it's worth it, I think. Number one, there's definitely going to be no problem with overcrowding as far as the equipment goes and all that. You can get in there, get your workout on. They have dumbbells, which is what I like, from 5 pounds all the way up to 100 pounds, and I'm happy about that. They also have all the major machines and free weights and bench presses, all the stuff that I like to use, and that's important to me. So I'm excited about the gym membership I joined. It was only $1, and I did join, and I'm glad I did. So now on top of that I'm happy about the $1 joining. I'm happy about the fact that they have a pool that I can swim laps and a sauna. Those are two big selling points. For $25 a month, that's, to me, it's worth it. And then $49 every year. And then also on top of that, they are opening up their basketball court. He says that should be within 6 weeks, maybe 8 weeks, but he says within the next 2 months. So we're April, what, second, third, April 3rd. So you're talking May, like the end of May or sometime in June, the basketball, you can go play basketball. Again, limited capacity, so I think they're going to have like 3-on-3 games, and you're limited to playing one game, and then the next group can play a game. You can't play game after game after game. If there's people waiting, you can only play one game. It's so, like, again, 25% capacity of the entire gym. $25 a month, $1 to join right now as it stands. If you're in the LA area or the Whittier area or the Santa Fe Springs area, today is Saturday. It's 2:20 in the afternoon. I've been out and about for a few hours now. I had to eat, I had to get stuff done, and I ran into that gym because I had to go to Walmart, and the guy was out front, and I just asked him a couple of questions about the gym. First of all, I was like, are you guys open? What are your hours? What's your rate right now? Like, what are you guys offering? Any specials? And he said, yeah, $1 to join, and you have 2 weeks to decide if this is what you like, and then you'll get charged the annual fee, which is $49. Then after that, it's just $25 a month. So I said, that's cool, that sounds good, it's reasonable, it's realistic, and you're not price gouging. And I like the fact that it's all brand new equipment, and the whole gym has been remodeled on the inside, so it's all clean, and there's sanitation stations and all that kind of stuff inside, and they have a full cleaning staff to sanitize the weights. I am heavy into health and fitness. I think it's important, at least for me, it's important. And so for all of you who are into health and fitness, if you are interested in gyms, Esporta, otherwise known as LA Fitness, in the Whittier, Santa Fe Springs area is open. They have another one on Whittier Boulevard in the main heart of Whittier, which is like 2 minutes down the street from Uptown Whittier. That gym is also open. Same rules apply, same thing. And if you're a member of this gym, you can go to any of the Esportas / LA Fitnesses in the Southern California area, and then whatever affiliates they have, like out of state, you got to get with them and check their online registry or whatever to figure out if they have affiliates in Vegas or whatever. But if you're in the LA or San Diego area, I think they have affiliates in San Diego. You can work out with your membership just by typing your phone number if you forget your little keychain thing to scan, or you can also scan it from your phone. So again, all of that's all up to you, but I just wanted to pass that knowledge on about Sporta gyms / LA Fitness gyms are open for business, and I guess they've been open for a few weeks now, and things are really getting going for them. And so he says it's people are catching the wave, and they're getting back to health and fitness again, and business is good and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully that helps somebody out. I'm on my way now to get some leather redwing safety work shoes with steel toes, which is a requirement, and the ones I have are beat up. I have to get new shoes. I've been using these now for the past year and a half, 2 years, and they weren't really top quality, but the Red Wings are top quality. Red Wings will typically last you for about 5 to 6 years if you use them all the time. If you don't use them all the time, they'll probably last you a lot longer, 8, 9, 10, 11 years. Me, I use them every day, 5 days a week, so I'll probably get 5 to 6 years out of them. However, they can be resold, and maybe you'll get another 3, 4 years out of them because they're leather and they're steel toe and all that kind of stuff, and they have a guarantee. So I'm on my way to the Red Wings store in Whittier, off of Whittier Boulevard, right there by the Ralphs, kind of close to Greenleaf in that little area. And I'm gonna drop some money because these shoes are not expensive, or they're not cheap. They're expensive. $160 for some professional steel toe, thick leather, thick soled work shoes. that are OSHA compatible with OSHA standards, basically, that they fit OSHA's, they meet or exceed, which in this case they exceed OSHA's requirements for a steel toe work shoe. And I wanted to pass that on because I don't want to drop $160 on some steel toe work shoes, but my feet really need the comfort. It's those warehouse floors are hard on my feet. They're hard. It's really tough. It beats you up. And my shoes have had it, and my feet hurt every day. And so if I got to drop $160 to take care of my feet, then it's worth the investment, because taking care of my feet means I'm taking care of my job and I'm taking care of my body. So on that note, here comes the transportation that I need to get to my destination. Much love. Staff Sergeant Calhoun from Santa Fe Springs / Whittier. Out.